think there's this weird mass psychosis that people seem to believe that AI is just gonna make content better, or it's gonna make so much more content, so we don't need people anymore. I think in the space of content and marketing, the complete opposite it is true. Your customers want to be associated with you and not some sort of AI bot. I don't think anyone wants that. If you're able to organize your marketing strategy, SEO strategy to something where you're able to solve both these problems of like increasing human trust and increasing AI trust, then you have more likelihood of being recommended by any algorithm. Marketing teams are going to have to realize you're not just serving for an algorithm anymore. You have to do it for two layers. One is humans, and the primary layer is AI.
Features an AI-powered distribution platform that helps founders and creators instantly find the right channels to reach their ideal audience. Built for featured marketing, it identifies the trusted newsletters, podcasts, communities, and creators that actually drive influence and demand. By analyzing content and audience signals across the internet, Sandeep Khondury is a venture capital associate and founder building tools at the intersection of media, distribution, and AI, focused on identifying early market signals by analyzing spread across the internet and how language predicts startup outcomes.
I used my product and searched who are the people with a channel on YouTube and on podcasts, on newsletters, and you're the one of the first people that it recommended. I thought everyone that came on has been like either someone who's highly respected in this space, or they're building something that's going to change the world. I was able to discover the one common feature of every successful company in the world, which I termed as